Go to your preferred browser and search for Lively Wallpaper. Open this Rocks Danister website, and here we can see the Lively Wallpaper software. Click on download and select option to download. So you can click on installer, and here we can see the Lively is now downloading. Once it's successfully downloaded, go to your file explorer, go to download location, and here you'll find Lively setup. So launch the installer, select install mode. I'm selecting install for me only. Select your preferred language, click on next. I accept the agreement, and finally click on install. Once it's installed, open the Lively wallpaper. And now in this Lively wallpaper, you get a bunch of different dynamic wallpaper. You can choose any of them. As you can see, the wallpaper successfully applied. And to set custom wallpaper, go to your preferred browser and this time search for live wallpaper and open this website. And I'm searching for dynamic wallpaper. Now I'm just downloading this wallpaper, for example. Clicking on here's the wallpaper download. Once the wallpaper downloaded, go back to Lively wallpaper, click this plus icon, choose a file from your download location, upload the file. You can rename the wallpaper here, click on OK. And here, as you can see, the dynamic wallpaper successfully applied. Thanks for watching.